Hi guys! Today, let's do EB Advance haul, review, swatches, first impression, lahat na. I posted this sa Instagram nung nakaraan. Actually, hindi ko pinakita kung anong laman nito kasi I wanted it to be a surprise. So, this was sent to me by EB Advance for me to review, for me to try it out. So, thank you EB Advance. First one is itong EB Advance CC Cream Color Corrector. Be one step closer to complexion perfection with the EB Advance CC Cream. This lightweight color correcting cream helps even out skin tone and improve the appearance of skin. It's also infused with moisturizers and skin conditioners that help skin feel soft and smooth. Wear it alone or under foundation for that flawless base. Hindi ko sure kung gagamitin ko to as base. Depende kasi sa coverage na ibibigay niya. Pero if it looks good nang siya na lang, okay? This product helps correct uneven skin tone and improve the appearance of skin. It addresses skin issues like redness or sallowness. Sallowness? What is sallowness? Hey Siri. Sallowness definition. Hindi ko alam eh, sorry.
The definition of sallowness is a sickly yellowish skin color.
Oh. A sickly yellowish skin color daw, sabi ni Siri. Also contains moisturizers and skin conditioners that help protect the skin from dryness and dullness. So, actually gusto ko yung sickly yellowish, ano daw yun? Para terno sa damit ko, diba? One shade lang siya kasi wala nakalagay dito kung anong shade. So, definitely one shade lang. It contains 40 ml. Maganda yung lalagyan niya. Social yung dating. On swatch, meron siyang mga small beads. And when, ooh, it feels like water. Hindi siya malagkit. And pag inispread talaga, no? Pagpasensyahan nyo na, guys, ha? Nagbe-blend siya sa skin tone. And it smells good. I-apply ko muna siya sa buong face ko para hindi masayang ang inyong mga oras. Alam ko marami pa kayong magbalak gawin sa inyong mga buhay. Yes, I know. I think kailangan kong mag-foundation kasi wala siyang tinulong sa mga blemishes ko. So, definitely magpa-foundation ako kasi I'm a foundation girl and gusto ko, if I put something on my face, might as well, maganda yung coverage niya, maganda yung, kailangan i-conceal na rin niya yung mga blemishes ko. Yung mga kailangan ko itago, kailangan itago niya, diba? So, up close, ayan siya. So, regarding sa color correcting, I don't know. Wala pa akong nakikitang effect. Is it instant effect? Hindi ko alam kung instant effect or in the long run. Pero it's supposed to be instant effect, diba? Kasi it's a CC cream. To be honest, wala akong nakikitang difference from kanina. Nung mukhang shiny lang yung face ko. So, I'm gonna put on foundation. I did not notice any difference nung in-apply ko yung CC cream. Hindi ko napansin na even out na yung skin tone ko, na na-correct niya yung redness sa aking face. Pero kung gusto niyo medyo dewy yung finish ng inyong matte foundation, for example, if you have a matte foundation tapos gusto niyo medyo may dewiness sa kanya, maganda siya as base. It's really moisturizing. Ayun. Marami kasing nagtatanong, bakit daw minsan pag nag-foundation sila parang nakikita yung may mga nagbabalat sa face nila. So, ayan. Maganda yung CC cream as base muna and then sa kanya i-apply yung foundation nyo para ma-moisturize yung face. At the same time, maraming added benefits. By the way, ang ginamit kong foundation is itong L'Oreal Infallible. Matte finish to sa akin, kaya yan yung ginamit ko para merong dewiness na nagaganap sa aking skin. Moving on kasi marami pang... sinabi ko pala yung nakasulat. Hello Anne, here's some of the latest launches from EB Advance. Sorry, ngayon ko lang nasabi. Next na tutubukan ko, Blushing Cheeks. EB Advance Blushing Cheeks is a gel-based cheek color that reacts to your skin's chemistry, giving its own unique pink shade. This can be used on its own as for a natural rosy look or as a base for powder blush for all-day chic color. So, tignan muna natin siya on its own. So, it looks like this. It contains 12 ml. This one, it costs 90 pesos. Uy, mura lang. 90 pesos. So, ayan. It looks like this. Konti lang kasi parang very, very pigmented. Parang nakakatakot maglagay nito, no? Kasi mahirap siyang tanggalin. Nang nag-swatch ako sa back of my hand, tapos ginamitan ko na ng cleansing sheets, ang hirap niyang tanggalin. So, for sure, buong araw itong magsistay sa cheeks, kahit pagpawisan ka. Nagmukhang healthy yung skin ko kasi nagkaroon ng glow. Kailangan mabilis kayong mag-blend dito kasi nagsistain siya kagad. Ayan, no? Ang tendency, once na dumikit siya sa skin, magsistain siya kagad. So, kailangan blend agad-agad. It added a little glow on my cheeks. And I like it. Ang ganda. Ang healthy tingnan. And for 90 pesos, okay siya ha. Next, I have here yung EB Advanced Chic Color. Orchid, Mandarin, and Fig. Alam niyo bang, EB Advanced yung kauna-unahan kong blush on. And alam niyo kung saan ko sila binibili. Sa grocery. Dahil alam niyo naman, nanay, pag may nadaanan ako, uy, gusto ko to. This one is Orchid. And when you open it, ayan, meron siyang sariling brush. And wala siyang mirror. But meron siya ay, meron! Meron pala siyang mirror. Ayan. Magsaswatch muna ako and then papakita ko sa inyo. And then, saka ako pipili ko ano yung ilalagay ko sa aking cheeks. Okay? Itong Orchid, it's a matte pink blush. Next one, we have Fig. It's a reddish brown. Matte din siya. Ang ganda ng Fig. Parang siyang reddish brown, pero very soft. Then, the last one I have here is yung Mandarin orange. Unang tingin ko, it's orange. Yeah, it's orange. Very pigmented itong mga cheek color. Actually, alam nyo, parang gusto kong itry yung Mandarin. Kasi yung Mandarin, para siyang peach. Mahilig ako sa peach na blush. But I think I will settle with Fig. Since pwedeng gamitin as base yung blushing cheeks na ginamit ko kanina, etong Fig yung gagamitin ko kasi maganda. I love the color. Mas mukhang natural looking siya. Ayan, it's really hard to tell kasi meron akong may base na blushing cheeks. Pero yung blushing cheeks kasi it's supposed to prolong yung color ng blush. Pero base naman dun sa swatch na ginawa ko, maganda yung color. Dun sa tatlo, ang ganda ng Fig. I like the Fig. Okay, so next, let's try on itong EB Advanced Supreme Lipstick, Naomi, and Amethyst Rose. So, isang matte and isang cream. They have 16 shades available, 8 na matte and 8 na cream. So, let's try cream, yung Naomi. So, ito yung lipstick. On swatch, hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented as I expected. Though it says it's cream, ang finish niya is frost. Etong matte naman, and my shade is Amethyst Rose. This one is really matte. More like creamy matte siya. Let's try on yung Naomi muna. Frost yung kanyang finish and it has blue undertone. It doesn't feel drying sa lips and it's really moisturizing nung in-apply ko. Hindi na-emphasize yung dryness, although meron akong dryness ng konti sa lips. And yung color payoff, it's good. Sa skin, kanina, parang nahirapan akong kunin yung pigment niya. Pero pag nilagay siya sa lips, in-apply siya sa lips, the pigment is really good. Let's move on dun sa matte. Plum kind of shade. It's a plum shade. This one is deeper compared dun sa isang shade, yung Naomi. This shade naman, yung Amethyst Rose, ito. This is my kind of color. It's creamy matte. Not drying. Actually, it's moisturizing. It feels really comfortable sa lips. Ang dali niyang i-glide sa lips. It's really creamy. And kuhang-kuha mo kagad yung pigment, yung color payoff. It's really good. It costs 195 pesos. Lastly is itong EB Advanced Matte Lipstick. I've been reading requests dito, nagawa ko ng review nito. Actually, I have 3. And I believe they have 6 shades available. Asan na yung kodigo ko, Ju? I have 3 here. High Heels, Plush Petal, and Fuchsia Fantasy. Costs 180 pesos. It is a creamy satin finish lipstick. It comes in 6 classic never fail shades. Retractable twist body. Retractable twist type body for precise application. The first shade na meron ako dito is Plush Petal. This one is a coral shade. Next one is Fuchsia Fantasy. Ito, pink. The last one is yung High Heels. Pag High Heels talaga ang nasa isip ko, red eh. So, sakto. It's a red lipstick. Guys, inabot na ako ng 6 na oras. Seryoso, 6 na oras para i-film tong video na to. You know why? Kasi nag-aalaga ako ng baby. And then, nagkakaroon ako ng problema sa lighting. From time to time, sinacheck ko sa laptop. Kasi, bago yung lighting ko. And, pinapalitan ko yung setting ng camera. Hindi bago pa ako eh. Pasensya na kayo ha. Sana pagpasensyahan nyo na yung inconsistency for, dito sa video na to. Pero hayaan nyo, it will get better. It will get better. Okay? Final thoughts na sa mga products na na-feature ko today. On my lips, ito, tagal ko na siyang suot. I love it. Itong matte lipstick na High Heels. Yun yung pinaka-favorite ko sa matte lipsticks. Yung dalawa, since I'm not really into coral shades, hindi ko masyadong type yung Plush Petal. Although, okay naman. Pwede naman siya. Sa akin lang. Sa akin lang ha. Hindi ko type yung coral shades, kaya hindi ko siya masyadong nagustuhan. And yung Fuchsia Fantasy. Yung Fuchsia Fantasy, ang layo ng ini-expect kong color. Hindi siya ganun ka intense compared sa nakikita ko sa kanya. Pag in-apply siya, it's patchy, hindi siya solid kagaya nito. Ito, I really like it. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya sa lips. And it feels really comfortable. To think na mura lang to, 180. So, I highly recommend tong High Heels. I love it. Yung dalawa, not really. Pareho kasi silang patchy pag in-apply. Yung CC Cream, okay naman siya sa akin as base nga lang. Pero as is, hindi ko siya susuotin as is kasi parang wala lang siya. Hindi na na-even out yung skin tone ko. Hindi rin na-correct yung redness. But I will use it again as base. Kasi hindi naman siya, hindi nakadagdag sa oiliness sa face ko. Kaya okay pa rin siya sa akin. It's lightweight, kaya okay na okay rin siya pang base. If you don't like to use primer, kung medyo may dryness sa face, ayan, gagamitin ko yung CC Cream. Plus, it smells good. Yung blushes, hindi nyo nga lang masyadong ma-appreciate kanina yung pag-apply ko kasi nga yung lighting. I'm wearing Fig right now. I don't know if you can tell sa camera, but it looks really nice. And I think yung blushing cheeks, mas nakita yung kulay niya compared dun sa blush eh. But I like the Fig. Sa tatlong yon yung Fig yung gagamitin ko. Yung blushing cheeks, okay siya para sa mga beginners kasi something na tatagal na buong araw na hindi mo na kailangan mag-retouch ng mag-retouch. Yung mga ganyan. Supreme lipstick, it's really good. Talagang Supreme sila. Especially yung creamy matte. Yung Amethyst Rose, yun ang gusto ko. Yun na ang mga first impressions ko dun sa mga products na pinakita ko sa inyo. Actually, first impressions lang naman to. If ever magustuhan ko talaga sila, makikita nyo malamang yan sa aking favorite. So, abangan nyo yan. So far ha, yung EB Advance, I will commend their efforts sa paganda ng kanilang packaging. Especially yung blush. Ibang level na. Maganda na siya. So, ayun. Thank you so much, EB Advance, for sending me this products. At least I was able to try it out and share sa inyo. Check out the description box. May mga nilalagay akong info doon, kung anong suot ko, kung ano yung nakalagay sa kilay ko, sa eyes ko. So, from now on, gagawin ko ng habit yon na ilalagay ko lagi. Kasi dami nagtatanong. Minsan nakakalimutan ko na rin kung ano yung ginamit ko that day. Okay, so, yun lang. Ang haba na naman itong ending ko. Thanks for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!